Topic which I have taken is fractions. We are going to define, visualize, and compare the types of fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a way of representing division of a whole number into number of parts. It is in the form of numerator separated numerator and denominator separated by a line. Various examples of a fraction are 1 by 2, 3 by 7, 6 by 10, 4 by 99, and so on. Now, what is a numerator and a denominator? A numerator is the number of parts chosen, whereas denominator is the total number of parts. Another way to represent fractions are it is in the form of a by b, where a and b are whole numbers and the number b is not equal to 0. In this example, a is the numerator and b is the denominator. Here we can see the representation of a fraction. A pie chart is given and it is divided equally into 7 parts. Out of the 7 parts, 3 are shaded. Therefore, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is the total number of parts the pie chart has been divided into, that is 7. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 7. Here also we see a number of fractions representations on the pie charts. In the first diagram we can see the chart is divided into 2 equal parts. Therefore, one part is divided into is shaded. Therefore, 1 by 2 is the number of parts the chart has been divided. And similarly, the second one, it is divided into 4 parts. Out of the 4 parts, 2 are shaded. Therefore, the fraction will be 2 by 4. Similarly, with the third one, it is divided into 3 parts. Out of 3, 2 are shaded. Therefore, 2 represents the numerator and 3, which is the number of parts it has been divided, represents the denominator. Now, similarly, in the second row, the sixth diagram, the circle is totally shaded. That means it is not divided into any parts. That means number of parts, number of numerator equals to denominator. Therefore, it is equal to 1. Now you yourself decide how to write the fraction looking at the given diagram. How many of the pieces are in the circle? How many pieces are shaded in it? What fraction could be used to represent the amount of circle which is shaded in? Now, discussions of two fractions. As you can see, 1 by 4 is less than half the circle, while 5 by 6 is more than half the circle. So, 5 by 6 is larger. Here, the idea of least common denominator or LCD is used. LCD is an idea that can be used in comparing fractions. The LCD is the smallest number that both 4 and 6 will divide into equally. Now, 12 is the least common divisor for the fractions 1 by 4 and 5 by 6, because both 4 and 6 divide evenly into 12. Now, test your knowledge. Which is greater, 2 by 7 or 1 by 11? Which is lesser, 6 by 11 or 22 by 51? Which is greater, 1 by 2 or 4 by 8? What do you notice about the last pair of the fractions we compared? Now, coming to the types of fractions. There are 5 types of fractions: like and unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, and equivalent fractions. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions that have exactly the same denominator are called like fractions. Examples: 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are all like fractions because the denominators are equal to 7. Fractions with different denominators are called the unlike fractions. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, 6 by 67, 9 by 89 are unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Now next we have proper and improper fractions. In proper fractions, the value of the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 4 by 5, 6 by 7, 8 by 9. In improper fractions, value of the numerator is greater than the value of the denominator. For example, 3 by 2, 5 by 4, 4 by 3, 8 by 3. Next type of fraction is mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3 or 3 by 4 or 1 by 3 are the examples of mixed fractions. Next we have equivalent fractions. Fractions are equivalent if they represent the same amount of the whole or the same value. Now if you look at the diagrams, in the first one the square is divided into 5 equal parts. Out of 5, 2 are shaded, therefore the fraction is equal to 2 by 5. In the second diagram, the square is divided into 100 equal parts. Out of 100 parts, 40 are shaded, therefore the fraction is 40 by 100. Now if we simplify 40 by 100, the result will be equal to 2 by 5, which is similar to the first diagram. Therefore 2 by 5 is equals to 2 by 5. Therefore these two fractions can be called as equivalent fractions. Now you decide yourself, is this fraction equivalent to 2 by 3? How can you tell? Thank you so much.